Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you're watching me from. Okay, today I want us to discuss about health. Okay, let's discuss a bit about health, like cough. At times, someone will be having cough, you have been buying medicine, nothing is working out. Have you tried it natural way? Hmm? This thing I'm about to show you guys now is also good for heart cleanser. It cleans heart, liver very well. This particular practical I'm about to do now cleans liver and it cure. In fact, it kills cough. Okay, guys, let's just wait. Just watch. It's a very simple something, but it works. Okay, as far as you follow everything accordingly, it gonna work for you perfectly. Let's go, guys. Look at. I have my orange here. This is garlic onion, and this is ginger. Let's go. Watch me, guys. I go first with the garlic. Hmm. Some people may say, the way this garlic is smelling, no. I don't like this garlic. Garlic is a very good medicine. It fights bacterial diseases very well, and it cures it very, very well. Okay, I cut it. I'm cutting my garlic small, small. It's very, very good. Smart ones don't even cook anything without adding a garlic onion. At least you make sure you put a little. If you don't like the aroma, make sure you put very small. But at all, I'm bad. Okay, guys, you need to add it. It's very, very good. Okay, watch the experiment. I finish cutting the garlic. You pack it and put inside one glass cup or bowl. It depends on your choice or your plate. Okay, then you go for your ginger. Okay, I cut small of it, as you can see. Some people are thinking that some people think that ginger is nothing. All these things you are seeing, it works. This is natural medicine. Like me, I don't make stew without this. Not too much, small of it. Okay, very small. You need it. Even infections, it cures it also. I'll pack the chaff this side. Then I cut my ginger small, 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 guys. You cut it small, small. Okay. Small, small. You cut your garlic small, small. You cut your ginger small, small. Okay, guys. It works. Try this at home. You call me personally to thank me. Whether baby or adult, okay? Anyone can take it because it's natural, okay? Alright. They go for your orange. I say orange, not tangerine. If you have a machine that normally use, you can use your machine. If you don't have, you can also use hand, okay? Like me, I don't even know where my children pack my own. They have turned it to their toys since it's plastic. I'm using hand. Okay, guys, watch. Okay. The reason why I took two is because it's very small. If it is big orange, to me, one is enough, okay? Orange, I did not say lime. Orange. Everything have its own work. It's orange I'm talking about, to my people. I said orange. Try this at home and thank me later, guys. Okay, then this is my honey. Make sure it's natural honey. Okay, teaspoon, one of it is enough. This one is not up to 2 teaspoons. That's why I'm using 1.5, guys. See, try this at home and thank me later. It cleans liver very well. This particular, this I'm doing now, practical, it cleanses the distance. It's liver cleanser, in fact. Okay, this is liver cleanser. It kills cough. It fights against cough. Bacterial diseases, it fights against it. Okay, very simple, and it's good. You can try it at home. Then you put it and give it like 30 minutes. Okay, make sure everything is together here. Inside the orange, honey is there, garlic is there, ginger is there. Let's give it 30 minutes, guys, before you shift and drink. Try this at home. Okay, you will see it's very good. Like, this is what I use for my children once they have a cough. Even me, my husband, is what we use. I can ask any doctor, he or she will still tell you it's very good. Okay, those of you that are smoking, you need this because it cleans a cleanser. Maybe you have tried to stop a cigarette, it's not working out, but it's good that you stop it too. But as you are taking that, you also need, that's why Yoruba people, they smoke more than blacks, but they last more than blacks because they know the strategies to back it after smoking. But our people, we don't know. We believe in smoking, taking kai, nothing to cleanse our liver, which is wrong. It's not good. Okay, end of the day, to land the person into this in a big sickness, you know. Let's just wait 30 minutes time. Okay, guys, let's just wait 30 minutes time. We'll see what comes out of this now. 30 minutes time. Cough. It cleans the liver also. This thing you are seeing here, it's fight garlic and ginger. You can use it also to cure your infection. Okay, yeah, it's very good. In fact, if you are cooking as from today, make sure you put small of it, not too much, because I know you may not like the aroma of ginger, okay, of garlic, onion. Just put it very small so that the aroma will not come out. Okay, because it's very good. It's natural. Okay, it's very good. It fights against bacteria diseases. Okay, it's very good. If you are cooking, just put it small. In fact, me that is telling you I don't make stew without it. I add it small. Anyhow, blend it together with my onion. Okay, small is good. It's good for the system. It's good for your liver. Okay, we still have how many minutes remaining now for it to complete that. Okay, we still have 10 minutes remaining, guys. Just wait. Make sure if you put it, you leave it for 30 minutes before drinking it. Okay, 30 good minutes before drinking. Okay, guys, let's just watch and see. We'll see. We'll see. Just try it at home. Make sure your honey is natural. I know that to have natural honey these days is not easy, but try. Still try. You still get natural one. This natural honey is very good. Okay, it's very good. It's also fight against it's fighting also against what is it called, bacteria. Okay, yeah, we need it. Natural honey is good. Okay, it also cleans the heart and liver. Okay, so we need it. It's natural cleanser, this honey you are seeing here. Okay, this particular 10 or 4 things that I mix together is very good. They are natural cleanser, guys. They are natural cleanser. We need it. Okay, we need it. It will help us. We need it. You're having 5 minutes, making it the 30 minutes I'm talking about now, guys. Let's just wait and see. Remember, ginger, garlic. You cut it small, small, small. Okay? Then, and your orange. Okay? Remember to add your natural honey. It cleans the heart. It's very good, guys. Okay? It's very good. It cleans the kidney. It will clean your liver. It will clean your liver, kidney. Okay? So we need it. Just try it at home. It's natural something. It's not every time we're going to pharmacy to buy medicine. End of the day, it will not work for you. At times we use our hand to create something. I know most of us do not know that it's working. That's why I put it here, so that we all will know. Okay? This is the secret of my own. This is what I use. It will work for me. So I also want all of us to benefit from this. Okay? It's very good. It's very good, guys. It's very good. Okay? We all learn every day. No one is perfect. Only God is the only one that is perfect. So we learn every day. Even me, I myself, I learn every day. Anyone that I learn also, I also put it here. So all of us will benefit from it. Okay? If you also know your own, anyone you learn, also make a move. Put it so that we also benefit from it. Okay? We all need each other to move forward, guys. Okay? Oh yeah. 30 minutes is done. Look at it here, guys. I turn everything together. Remember, turn everything together. It's very, very important, guys. Then, let me use my listing and do the shifting work. I'm coming. So that the seed will not enter. The garlic will enter. So I'll be able to drink it free and fair, guys. These are my children, Anything that I do, they will turn it into this thing. Toys. Can you imagine? Even my shifter, I didn't even know where it is. Okay, guys, you make use of your shifter at home. I can find my own. That's what I always see in my house, like this. Wash, guys. Make sure the seed did not enter. Make use of your shifter. Okay? This children, Remember garlic, ginger, orange, 1 teaspoon of honey. Whoa, guys. We all can see it. Watch me, guys. You see? Watch me take it. It's very good, okay? Try this at home and thank me later, okay? See you guys. I love you all. Bye.